Hello. Look at how big this month's box is. There better be some big stuff in here. I mean, why wouldn't there be? Ooh, the inside of the box is red this month? What? Why? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm so excited. First thing in here is from Dose of Colors. It's a liquid matte lipstick. Okay, so Dose of Colors is the one that sent that palette last month. That was really, really good, but really, really expensive. And I'm wondering if this is gonna be of the same quality, but that is a good color. That's a good color. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Cool. Yeah, I feel like that formula is unique for sure. Okay, this is Kypris Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. Yes, my old lady skin needs serums. Ooh, made exclusively for Boxy Charm. Apply several drops to clean skin. That's pretty much all it says. What's it supposed to do though? Okay, lavishes skin with quenching, encapsulated, and antioxidants. It's like leaking out the side though. Ooh, that's no bueno. Oh, let's wipe this goop off the side. Ugh. It looks like a giant booger. Ugh. I can't really tell what it smells like. I'm not gonna put it on my face just yet. God, why? This bottle's weird though. I don't know. But the last time I put on a moisturizer before checking what else is in the box, I regretted it because it was like something else in there. I don't know. Anyway, Starry Eyes, the world's kindest eye mask. Indulgent self-warming eye mask. Oh, I mean, there's just one? Oh no, that looks like there's another one in there. Okay. The warmth will last for 20 minutes. May cause complete relaxation and deep sleep. Alright. This seems like it's just like a nice pampering thing, which I always need to pamper myself. Anyway, we got some brushes, it looks like. What in the hell? These are some weird looking guys, aren't they? They look like chimney sweeps. What do you use these for? They feel really nice and they're super dense. Well, there's also concealer in here from Pretty Vulgar. Undercover lightweight concealer. Okay. Well, I'll use this concealer today too, see what I think. And then there's still one more thing in this box. I still don't know why the box was so big this month. Because there isn't anything necessarily gigantic. But there is a palette. It's a small palette called Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics. I think we got like a lipstick by them one time, and I think one of you guys said she's like a YouTuber or something. I'm like, I've never heard of her, but anyway. Dang. Some of these are really, really pretty. The colors aren't necessarily unique though, except maybe this one. It's called Black Matter. It's like a black eyeshadow, and then the reflex are purple, which that's really pretty. Now this Eternal Light might be a really pretty highlight. We might try it as that today. It's kind of chunky. We'll see how this goes. Oh my gosh, so we got a lot of fun stuff in here today. I'm very excited. Let me just put this weird serum on my face that hopefully isn't contaminated because it was leaking. Anyway. It feels pretty good. It's actually thicker than I expected, and this bottle is just a pain in my ass. I was expecting it to smell a lot better than it does, with it being like a botanical based smell, like, or formula. I would think it would have smelled like really flowery and pretty, but just kind of, I mean, it smells okay, but it doesn't have that like luxurious spa feeling. You know what I'm talking about? Anyway, it's fine. It's fine. For foundation today, this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use some of this concealer from, what was it? Pretty Vulgar, I think? This concealer is really lightweight. Not to say I don't like it. Like, it doesn't look cakey or anything. It's just, I need some very full coverage, you know? I mean, I don't even have to say that. Like, it's very obvious that I have very dark circles. Actually, I'm feeling like I need to load it up a little bit more. But yeah, I mean, as much as I hate cakey concealer, it needs to just be a little cakey for me because it needs to be able to cover my shit. Oh, and what I will say too, regarding foundation, I bought the Juvia's Place foundation, like their original one or whatever. I think they just came out with a new like stick foundation or something. But anyway, I bought it, and honestly, that is the cakiest shit I've ever used. Like, hands down. A lot of coverage, but for my face, I don't need that much coverage, you know? Like, I only need it under my eyes, so it's like, I don't know. Anyway, let's just set this shit real quick. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to try to apply it with this thing. These brushes are heavy. Like, I don't know how I feel about it, and I haven't even used it yet. It really packs the color on. Yeah, I mean, it works pretty good. It's very dense, you know, but I kind of like that in a blush brush. I don't know why. Like, all the ones that I've ever gotten that have dense bristles like this are the ones I always end up reaching for. So for highlight, I'm gonna use the smaller brush, but I wanted to use this Eternal Light and see if it looks cute. I'm gonna attempt another brush because I'm not sure if it's the shade or the brush, but it's pretty much just picking up glitter and that's all. So now with a fluffier brush, we can try this, but it doesn't seem to be picking up any differently. Yeah, I think it's the pigment here, not necessarily the brush, because it's just not enough for me, honey. When I was putting it on with my finger, like on my nose and stuff, it looks really cute and shiny and adorable, but I don't know, it just didn't like swipe onto my cheeks very well. So it probably isn't the best highlight ever. Okay, now we can move on to this eyeshadow palette. I have no idea what I want to do, so I guess I'm just gonna play around until something happens. Okay, so I really like, oh, I guess I can take this off now. I really like the look that I made with that eyeshadow palette, but it was like, I don't know what I don't like about it. I think it's just because it's really, honestly, it's not very unique, like, at all. Like, I'm sorry, but maybe the only unique color in here is that Black Matter one. I don't know, I don't have another one like that, but everything else in this palette, it's like, it's been done before. Like, I have all of them in my collection, and it's just kind of boring. The shadows are fine. I had to build them up a little bit. Like the mattes, I had to go over them a few times to build them up. God, my hair. I'm sorry about my hair. I'm pulling a Carol Brady these days. I need to... I need to get my hair cut. I don't know how well you can see, but the colors blended pretty well. It just took a little bit of work to get there, but that's fine. Like, I mean, as long as the finished product looks good, then I guess that's really all that matters. I'm bored, is what it is. All right, last thing to try is this Dose of Color lipstick. Let's go. Yeah, that lipstick is really pretty. I like it. Now, I'm usually more of a lip gloss kind of person, mostly because my lips are just like perpetually chapped. This doesn't feel drying. It feels really nice, and the color is nice. I like it. I like it. So that was everything in Boxy Charm this month. Let's take a look at the prices here. I'm sorry, Nikita Dragon has her own makeup now? Why? I'm sorry, that's dumb. Okay, this eyeshadow palette goes for $35. That's fine. I don't think that's unreasonable. I mean, 8 shades for $35. What, like 4 something a shade, almost $5 a shade, if I'm correct on that. But I mean, the formula is fine. The colors are just boring, so like, I wouldn't, at this point in my makeup collection, I would not spend the money on it, but someone who doesn't have these colors elsewhere, fine. Whoa, shut the hell up, Boxy Charm. This shit goes for $90? I'm sorry, but what? I mean, it's fine, it's good, I guess. The bottle sucks and it leaked everywhere, and now it looks like there's boogers all over it, but you know, besides that, it's fine, but like, I wouldn't pay $90 for it. Damn. This lipstick goes for $18. Now again, Look at how small this is. It's very small. It's like almost wavering on sample size. Like it is very small, and it's the same price as like a full-size lipstick, you know? And it's not like a super unique color. I like it, but it's not like super, I don't know. Dose of Color is just so expensive for all the stuff they put out. Good quality stuff though, so there's that. I guess it just depends on what's more important to you, value or quality. And if quality is your thing, then Dose of Color so far has been very impressive to me. These little masky boys go for $10 for a pack of 2 of them, so $5 each. Obviously, I haven't tried them, so I don't know how good they are, but hey, let's hope they're good. For $5 each, they better be good. And this brush set goes for $35. These are Boxy Charm brushes. This is their own brush, which, you know, it's nice. Apparently that bigger brush is a foundation brush, but I don't know, I don't like using brushes for foundation. Okay, friends, that is it. I don't really have much to say, so thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!